Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to stop iCloud syncing on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on the name of your Apple account. And from here, you will find the option of iCloud. Just tap on it, then tap on See All. Now from here, you will find all the apps which are synced to your iCloud. Now just disable this toggle to disable syncing to your iCloud. Now from here, just select Keep on my iPhone. Now just do that with all the apps which you want to disable syncing them with your iCloud. Just like that. Now for the apps that do not have this toggle, just tap on them and from here you will find the option of Sync this iPhone. Just disable this toggle. From here, just select Turn off syncing iCloud Drive. Just like that. And this is how you can stop iCloud syncing on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.